Today we are going to start revision number 1 of circle chapter number 10. So revision number 1 में हम लोग NCERT में जितने भी important questions हैं that I am going to cover up, okay? And revision number 2 जो करूँ monthly test के बाद, I think after Deepavali we will complete revision number 2. That in that I will cover all the CBSE questions only, which is not in given in our NCERT textbook. So let us start with the theorem number 10.1. So theorem number 10.1, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So this is the theorem. और थ्योरम दो थ्योरम है, बट अभी जो सैम्पल पेपर जो CBSE इशू किया था उसमें कोई भी थ्योरम नहीं था. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर दैट वेदर दे विल गिव और नॉट, बट पिछले साल तक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे. दोनों थ्योरम में से एक थ्योरम आता था. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द गिवन फर्स्ट. अ सर्कल with center O and yx is the tangent and point P is the point of contact. Now what we will do, we will take we have to show that OP is perpendicular to yx. Okay, so we have to take 2 points or 3 points also you can take, Q and R. Okay, and we will join OQ and OR. पहले OQ join कर लेते हैं, then we will join OR. Now we are going to start the proof. So Q and R both are lying outside the circle. ये दोनों पॉइंट जो है वो सर्कल से बाहर है, right? So what we can conclude that the OQ is greater than OP. जो रेडियस है उससे बड़ा होगा अगर पॉइंट बाहर है तो, ठीक है. Q and R lies outside the circle. OQ and OR both are greater than OP, or in other words we can say that OP is less than OQ and OP is less than OR. So that means OP is the shortest distance drawn from O to YX line, and we know that the perpendicular is the shortest distance from point O to the given line. Okay, so therefore OP is perpendicular to YX. Any doubt in this theorem?
No, sir.
Okay, now based on this only one question I am going to do from exercise 10.1. Based on that theorem, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equals to 12 cm and length PQ is dash. So we'll draw a rough figure. Okay, Q जो है वो सर्कल के बाहर है, and the distance of this point Q from the center is given 12 cm and the radius is given. We need to find the length of the tangent PQ. So first of all we have to show that this is a 90 degree. How will you show that this is a 90 degree? We have to use, yeah, we have to write the previous theorem, that is 10.1, but short में लिखना है tangent is perpendicular to the radius. इतना भी लिखोगे तो भी चल जाएगा. So we have OP is equals to 5 cm, OQ is equals to 12 cm. So since PQ is the tangent and OP is the radius, so therefore angle OPQ is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. That means this is a right triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. If you apply the Pythagoras theorem, so what you will get? OQ square is equals to PQ square plus OP square. Okay, now we'll substitute the value of OQ 12 cm, OP 5 cm, PQ we need to find. So 12 square is 144 and this is 25. If you shift this to this side in the next step, okay, so it will become minus 5 square. So 144 minus 25 is 119. So what is the value of PQ?
Root 119.
So correct answer is D option. Okay, so now let us move towards the theorem number 10.2. This is also one of the important theorem for last year. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So let us draw the circle and P is an external point and P से दो tangent हम लोग draw किए हैं. So दोनों का length equal है, proof करना. That means we have to show that PQ is equals to PR. So what is given? A circle with center O, and PQ and PR are the two tangents drawn from point P. And we have to show that is to prove PQ is equals to PR. So इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन है, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, OQ, OR और OP को ज्वाइन करेंगे, राइट. सो पहले OQ को ज्वाइन किए, फिर OP को ज्वाइन किए, फिर OR को ज्वाइन किए, फिर OP को ज्वाइन किए. Okay, now we have to show that these two are 90 degree. How will you show these two are 90 degree?
The tangent is perpendicular to radius.
Very good. Okay, so PQ is a tangent at Q and OQ is the radius through Q. So therefore OQ is perpendicular to PQ, or we can say that tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, similarly OR is perpendicular to PR. That means these two are 90 degree. Now we will prove these two triangles, that is OPQ, OPR, congruent triangles. So we'll take up these two. Okay, we'll start with the side OQ is equals to OR. Why these two sides are equal? Okay, and what about OP? Common side, right. And these two angles are equal because each 90 degree. Okay, so therefore these two triangles are congruent. By which criteria?
RHS.
Right, very good. RHS congruence rule. So therefore PQ is equals to PR by CPCT. Any doubt in this theorem?
No,
Now we'll move towards exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2 में 13 questions हैं. सारे questions करने हैं because सारे questions board exam में आ चुके हैं and all are important questions. So let us start with the first question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is dash. So first we will draw a rough figure. The distance of point Q from the center is 25. Okay, ये फिगर थोड़ा ऐसे बनना चाहिए था. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. यहाँ पे देखो, कभी भी हम लोग गलत फिगर बना रहे हैं तो ये फिगर, ये सिंबल क्या डिनोट करता है? बिकॉज दिस इज 90 डिग्री. ओके, इट इज नॉट लुकिंग लाइक 90 डिग्री. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड दिस OP. So first we have to show that this is 90 degree. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Now we'll substitute the value of OQ 25 and PQ 24, and we have to find OP. So 25 square minus 24 square, that is 625 minus 576, we are getting 49. So what is the value of OP? 7. So correct option is A. Okay, now we'll move towards question number 2. In figure 10.11, if TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle with center O so that this angle is 110 degree, then find the value of this angle. So very easy. पहले हम लोग को ये परपेंडिकुलर है दिखलाना पड़ेगा, शो करना पड़ेगा, and this is also perpendicular. So now we can use the angle sum property of quadrilateral. So let us start with the first one. Since the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, so this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. Now in quadrilateral OPTQ, okay, the sum of all the angles is equals to 360 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now we'll substitute the value of this angle, and this angle. This we need to find. Okay, so 110 plus 90 plus this 90, so we'll get 290 degree. अगर ये तीनों को ऐड करते हैं तो 290 डिग्री आ रहा है, वो राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे हम लोग. So what we are getting?
70 degree.
Right. So correct option is B. Okay, now we'll move towards question number 3. If tangent PQ and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to dash. So पहले तो एक रफ फिगर बना लेते हैं. So PA PB, two tangents drawn from point P, okay, and they are inclined at an angle 80 degree. So complete this angle is 80 degree. We have to find this angle POA. So let us start with the first step, that is OA is the radius and AP is the tangent to a circle. So we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius, so we can write that angle OAP is equals to 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree. Okay. Right. Now we know that center lies in the bisector of angle between two tangents drawn from an external point. So this is 40 degree because full angle is 80 degree and this angle is also 40 degree. Okay, angle OPA, angle OPB will be half of angle APB. So half of 80 degree is 40 degree. Now we'll take up this triangle OAP. What is the sum of all the angles?
180.
180.
Right. By angle sum property of triangle. Now we'll substitute the value of this angle 40 degree. This angle is 90 degree and AOP, this angle we need to find. ये वाला निकालना है. Okay, 40 plus 90 is 130. We'll shift to this side. So it will become minus 130. So what is the final answer?
50 degree.
Yes, 50 degree. So hence the correct option is A. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, next question. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So given a circle with center O and AB is the diameter of the circle, and let L and M are two tangents, okay, at endpoints, that is A and B. And what we have to show that these two lines are parallel. So for that, what we have to show that this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. So उसके लिए theorem number 10.1 का help लेंगे हम लोग. We will take the help of 10.1 theorem, that is tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now since OA is the radius and L is the tangent to the circle, so therefore angle 1 is equals to 90 degree. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. If you wish, you can write the full sentence through the point of contact. Similarly, angle 2 is equals to 90 degree. Now what about these two angles? ये दोनों angles क्या है?
Alternate interior.
Right. But these two angles are alternate interior angles. So therefore L is parallel to M. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So next question, prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So सबसे पहले हम लोग एक circle ले रहे हैं with center O and tangent AB at point T, right? And now this proof we are doing with the contradiction method. So हम लोग ये मान के चलेंगे कि perpendicular जो हम लोग draw कर रहे हैं, that is not passing through the center. Okay, let the perpendicular drawn at point T passes through O1, not from the center. Okay, right. Now, therefore, angle O1 TB is equals to 90 degree. Let it be equation number 1. Is that clear? Perpendicular is not passing through the center that we have assumed. लेकिन theorem 10.1 क्या कहता है कि tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Yes. So that means OT is perpendicular to AB, or angle OTB is equals to 90 degree. So what you can conclude from equation 1 and 2? Both are equal. These two angles are equal. But this is not possible. Why this is not possible?
Because they should coincide with each other.
Why this is not possible? Because from this we can conclude that O1T is parallel to OT. O1T is parallel to OT, which is not at all possible because parallel lines do not have any common point. So this is possible only when O and O1 coincide with each other, right? Which is possible only when O1 and O coincide with each other. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Any doubt in this question? ये क्वेश्चन उतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है क्योंकि बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन फ्रिक्वेंटली कभी आया नहीं है. सो दिस इज नॉट मच इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम. So let us move towards question number 6. Now this is very easy question. The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. So बहुत सारे बच्चों को यहाँ पे ये समझ में नहीं आता कि length of tangent 5 है कि 4 है. Right? So actual में length of tangent is given is 4 centimeter. So let us draw the rough diagram. Length of tangent is given 4 centimeter and the distance of point A from the center is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now we need to find OP. So for that also we have to take the help of theorem number 10.1. That is tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So length of the tangent PA is equals to 4 centimeter. Since the radius OP is the perpendicular to the tangent at P, therefore angle OPA is equals to 90 degrees. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, you will get OA square is equals to AP square plus OP square. Now substitute the value of OA 5 centimeter, AP 4 centimeter, and we need to find OP. Okay, shift 4 square to this side or 25 minus 16 kar lo, you will get 9. So what is the final value of OP?
3 centimeter.
Right, 3 centimeter. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we are moving towards the next question, question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So हम लोग एक rough diagram बना लेते हैं. So suppose AP is the chord of larger circle and it touches the smaller circle. As it touches the smaller circle, it will be a tangent for the smaller circle. Okay, and P is the point of contact. Right. So now the radius of the outer circle is 5 centimeter, inner circle is 3 centimeter, and we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, since OP is the radius of the smaller circle and APB is its tangent, therefore angle OPA, angle OPB both are 90 degree. Why? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, one more property we have studied, that a perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So if you use that property, so we can say that AP is equals to BP or AB is 2 times of AP. So first we will find AP. Okay, AP या BP किस कोई भी एक find कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So we are taking triangle OPB by Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equals to OP square plus BP square. So we'll substitute OB as 5, OP as 3. Okay, so 5 square is equals to 3 square plus PB square. We will subtract 25, 9 from 25 or 25 minus 9. So 16 we are getting. So what is the value of PB? 4 centimeter. Okay. So now we know that the perpendicular drawn from the center to chord bisects the chord. So therefore AB is 2 times of PB. That is 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Any doubt in this question? This is very important question.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards another very important question. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Right. So first what we will do, we will use theorem number 10.2. If you use the theorem number 10.2, theorem number 10.2 says the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So AP is equals to AS, BP is equals to BQ, CQ is equals to CR, and DR is equals to DS. That statement we will write. First, second, third, fourth. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take the left hand side. We'll take the left hand side, that is AB plus CD. How will you break up AB?
PP plus PB.
Right. Or similarly CD we can break up CR plus DR. Okay. दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि पूरे इक्वेशंस को ऐड कर लो. Adding all the equations 1, 2, 3 and 4 will get this one. So now this 2 and this 2 will become AB and this 2 will become CD. Similarly this 2 will become AD and this 2 will become BC. So थोड़ा से ग्रुपिंग करेंगे. ग्रुपिंग करने के बाद हम लोग रिप्लेस करेंगे, दैट इज AB प्लस CD इज इक्वल्स टू AD प्लस BC. ओके. एक और अल्टरनेटिव मेथड देख लो. यहाँ तक सेम है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, फर्स्ट यू टेक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट इज AB प्लस CD. AB को ब्रेक कर सकते हैं AP प्लस BP और CD को ब्रेक कर लिए. नाउ रिप्लेस AB बाई AS, BP बाई BQ, CR बाई CQ एंड DR बाई DS. DS रिप्लेस कर दिए. उसके बाद फिर ग्रुप पेयरिंग करो. पेयरिंग कैसे करोगे? इसमें जो कॉमन है उसके साथ करो. जैसे यहाँ पे S कॉमन है और यहाँ पे Q कॉमन है, तो इन दोनों को पेयर करो. पेयर कर लिए. सो AS प्लस DS क्या होगा? what it will become?
AD.
And what about this?
BC.
हो गया. प्रूफ हो गया. देखो ये वाला मेथड इजी है कि पिछला वाला?
सर ये वाला.
ये वाला है.
Fine. Right. So now we are moving towards question number 9. Now this is also one of the most important question. CBSE board में ये 5-6 times exam में आ चुका है. Okay. So fine. What we will do here, one small construction we will join OC. ठीक है, join कर लिए. Okay. Now after that our target is to prove these two triangles congruent. So ये दोनों triangles को congruent हम लोग दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. We can use either theorem 10.1. If we are using 10.1 theorem, we can prove it by RHS congruence rule. If we are using 10.2 theorem, we can prove it by SSS congruence rule. I feel SSS is easier to identify than RHS. ठीक है, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे पहले ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स से. OP is equals to OC, radii of two triangles. What about these two sides? Why these two sides are?
Tangents.
Okay, tangents from point A we can write. Okay, and what about this one? Common. Fine. So AP is equals to AC, tangents from point an external point, tangent from an external point A, and OA is equals to A common side. So these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence rule. So that means these two angles are equal. Why? CPC. Okay. So दोनों को मैं angle 1 ले लिया. Similarly, these two triangles are congruent. So we can take these two angles as 2. Clear? Now what is the sum of all these angles? 180 degree. Straight line. Okay. POQ is a straight line. The sum of all these four angles is 180 degree. Clear? Now since POQ is a diameter of the circle, it is a straight line. So therefore the sum of all these angles is 180 degree. Now from equation 1 and 2 we get 2 times of COA, 2 times of COB. एग्जाम में अगर आया तो तुम लोग कैसे करना बता रहा हूँ. इसको एंगल 1 ले लो और इसको एंगल 2 ले लो. ठीक है. So this will become 1 1 and this will become 2 2. So this will be easy for you to write. This is 1. Okay, now after that, after this step you can write, this is not required at all. You can directly write angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. So finally what we are going to get, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degree, and then that is nothing but that is angle AOB. That would be easy, इससे ज़्यादा easy होगा. ये पूरा ये एंगल के नोटेशन के साथ में लिखोगे थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now 10th question. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. बहुत लोगों को ये statement ही समझ में नहीं आता है. So angle between the two tangent means ये वाला angle है. Okay, and angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact means this angle. We have to show that these two angles are supplementary. तो उसके लिए क्या शो करना पड़ेगा? The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay, so very easy. We will start with this to 90 degree. Circle is given with center O. P is any point outside the circle. PQ and PR are the tangents to a given circle. Since OQ is the radius and PQ is the tangent from P to the circle, therefore this angle is 90 degree. Why this angle is 90 degree? Because tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Similarly, this is also 90 degree. Now what is the sum of all these four angles?
360 degree.
Why?
Sum of all angles in a quadrilateral.
Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Very good. Okay. So we will substitute these angles here, 90, 90, 180 will shift to this side. So the sum of these two angles also will become 180 degree. Okay? That means these two angles are supplementary. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now question number 11. Now 11 is the extension of question number 8. Question number 8 में हम लोग क्या किए थे, ध्यान से देखो. AP is equals to AS, BP is equals to BQ, CQ is equals to CR and DR is equals to DS. First step में लिखे थे equation 1, 2, 3, 4. Same step I am going to write. Right. Okay. Now AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC proof किए थे. The same thing I am going to prove here. So we'll add all four. So we'll get AP plus BP and CR plus DR in one group, and AS plus DS and BQ plus CQ in another group. So this can be replaced by AB, this can be replaced by CD, this can be replaced by AD, and this can be replaced by BQ. Okay, now ABCD is a parallelogram. So can we write AB is equals to CD?
Yes, sir.
And AD is equals to BC. Why?
Opposite sides of parallelogram.
Very good.
Parallelogram are equal.
Right, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So since ABCD is a parallelogram, so therefore AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. Okay, so we'll replace CD by AB and BC by AD, or we can replace AD by BC also. Right, so 2 times of AB is equals to 2 times of BC. So it will give AB is equals to BC. अब ध्यान से देखो, this AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC, and these two are also equal. That means all sides are equal. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the second last question, 12th question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segments BD and DC, into which BC is divided by a point of contact DR of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. See this one, 6 cm, 8 cm. Find the side AB and AC. AB and AC. So first of all, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle 4 centimeter of radius 4 centimeter. The side BC, CA, BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC touch the circle at point D, E and F respectively. Okay. So now what we will do, we will join OA, OC and OB. Right. Now since the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal, so these two are equal, तो ये भी 6 हो जाएगा, and these two are also equal, so this will become 8, and these two are also equal, this one and this one, so we'll take it as a x. Okay, so AE is equals to AF is equals to x centimeter, and CE is equals to CD is equals to 6 centimeter, and BF is equals to BD is equals to 8 centimeter. Right. So like that we have wrote all the measurements. Okay, fine. Now in the next step, we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AB, AC and OF perpendicular to AB. Right? Any doubt here?
No.
Okay. And OD, OB or OD, OE or OF, ये क्या radius है ना, 4 centimeter it is given. Now we will find the area of triangle ABC by two method. So first method हम लोग use कर रहे हैं Heron's formula, right? I'm going to take A as BC, that is 6 plus 8, 14, and B as AC, right? AC is x plus 6, and C as AB, x plus 8. So Heron's formula में हम लोग सबसे पहले सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालते हैं, that is S, A plus B plus C by 2. So that is 2S, AB, A plus B plus C. 14 plus x plus 6 plus 8 plus x. So ये मिलेगा 2x plus 28. So S will be x plus 14. So now we'll write the formula of Heron's formula, that is whole root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now substitute the value of S, A, B, C. यहाँ पे देखो 14 कैंसिल हो गया और यहाँ पे x कैंसिल होगा और ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 8 मिलेगा. Here also x will be cancelled. If you subtract this two, you will get 6. Okay. So what we are going to get, x plus 14 into x into 8 into 6. This step is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So we'll get 48x into x plus 14. So let it be equation number 1. So this is one way to find the area of triangle ABC. Another way is that the sum of the three triangles. कौन सा बता रहा हूँ मैं? I will tell you which triangles. First is triangle AOB, AOC and BOC. And for all the triangles we have also the altitudes. OD is the altitude of BC, OF is the altitude of this triangle, and OE is the altitude of this triangle. So triangle, एक triangle का area निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है? सबसे पहले OBC, half into base into height. Base is 14, altitude is 4. So what we are going to get? 28. Now we'll find the another area of triangle AOB. So base is x plus 8 and height is 4. So here what we are going to get, C, we'll get 2x plus 16. Now the last one is AOC. Base is x plus 6 and height is 4. So again if we cancel these two, we will get 2x plus 12. Now if we add all these three areas, we'll get full triangle area, that is ABC. We'll substitute all the values, and the triangle of area of triangle is also given that with the using the Heron's formula, that is root over 48x into x plus 14. We will equate both the areas. Okay, so what we are going to get, 4x plus 56. ओके उसके बाद इसमें 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं हम लोग. इफ यू टेक 4 कॉमन, व्हाट यू विल गेट, x plus 14. Now take square on both sides. If you take square, you will get 48x into x plus 14 and 16 into x plus 14 whole square. So one x plus 14 you can cancel it. Why? Because x is not equals to -14, क्योंकि x का वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, सो एक फैक्टर हम लोग यहाँ पे निकाल सकते हैं. एक मिनट, इसके बाद निकाल दिए. राइट नाउ 16 कैन बी डिवाइडेड, 48 can be divided by 16, that is 3x is equals to x plus 14. Now shift x to this side, it will become 2x. 2x is equals to 14. So what is the value of x?
7.
Right. So we got the value of x is equals to 7. अभी AC निकालो, 7 plus 6 13. AB निकालो, 7 plus 8 15. So we got the values. Any doubt? एक बार और practice कर लेना. Okay. Now we'll move toward the last question of the exercise and today's revision also. And after this revision, because tomorrow you are going to face monthly test, this chapter is there, that is why I'm doing revision. Immediately you revise once again after this class. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. So पहले तो एक डायग्राम बना लेते हैं. See carefully, AB और DC opposite sides हैं. So the angle made by this opposite side is these two angles, and what we have to show that these two angles are supplementary. Similarly, another pair AD and BC, and these two sides subtends angle at the center, these two angles, and we have to show that these two angles are also supplementary angle. Okay, so to prove that the sum of angle BOC plus AOD is equals to 180 degree, angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. So we'll start with joining OP, OQ, OR, OS. Already मैं join करके रखा हूँ, ठीक है, फिगर में. So let this angle is 1. This angle is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all 8 angles I marked from 1 to 8. Right. Now we'll show that any two triangles are congruent. Okay. So मैं ये दोनों triangles को congruent proof कर रहा हूँ. Again, I have two ways to prove these two triangles are congruent. One by using 10.1 theorem, RHS congruent rule से proof करेंगे. Another by using 10.2 theorem, we will prove by SSS congruence rule. So the SSS congruence rule is easy. So we'll start with OS is equals to OP radii and AS is equals to APY. Tangent drawn from an external point. Okay, and OA is common. So these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruence rule. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2 by CPCT. Similarly, angle 3 is equals to angle 4, angle 5 is equals to angle 6 and angle 7 is equals to angle 8. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what is the sum of all these angles? 360 degree, right? The sum of all these angles is 360 degree, and the sum of all the angles around a point O is 360 degree. Now we know that these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So 2 times angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is 360 degree. So we can write angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degree. Now what is angle 2 plus angle 3 from the figure?
AO2.
And angle 6 plus angle 7 from the figure?
Angle COT.
Right, we will replace. So एक part proof हो गया. अभी फिर से ये वाला जो है इसको हम लोग लिखेंगे 2 times of angle 1, 2 times of angle 2, 2 times of angle नहीं 2 times of angle 1, 2 times of angle 3, 2 times of angle 5, 2 times of angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Or angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degree. Now we'll replace angle 4 by angle 4 plus angle 5 by which angle? Angle BOC. और angle 8 और angle 1 को कैसे replace करेंगे? Angle AOD. Right. Okay. So ये भी proof हो गया. First part, second part दोनों proof हो गया. Now this is the assignment questions. For monthly test you no need to do these questions. Okay. 2 set है. ये मंथली टेस्ट के बाद तुम लोग कंप्लीट करना और मंथली टेस्ट के बाद आई विल कंटिन्यू दिस रिवीजन. I will continue with revision number 2. I will take up some example questions, important example questions and CBSE board exam questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.